siblings are not speaking to each other, it is an error. It means the spirit of darkness has entered your family. I challenge you to stand up on your feet and begin to pray against that spirit. Chase that demon away from your family in the name of Jesus.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So this video of Ayanda Ncwane teaching people, or rather preaching about siblings rivalry or siblings problems, has been brought back into the spotlight again. Let me just say that it is trending again there on TikTok. You guys know Ayanda Ncwane in this video talks about how much the devil is able to, get into her siblings and make sure that they fight. In this video, she urges siblings to fight against the devil, to not let the devil make them fight, as they are flesh and as they the same blood, you guys. And then Ncwane, of course, urges siblings passionately in that video, saying that do not let the devil get into you as siblings and let you fight. Know that there's something definitely wrong when siblings are, not talking to each other. You guys need to sort out your issues. You guys need to invite God and fight evil by putting on the full armor of God. So that you can be able to fight the devil that is in the household at the time. Now, though that is a very beautiful, beautiful message, people hopped into the comment section to remind Ayanda Ncwane that, you know what, Ayanda, you are preaching a lot of crap because you're not practicing what you're preaching. What about those kids that belong to your husband, your ex-husband, your late husband, rather, your late husband's kids, Usfiso Ncwane's kids, because you have made sure that they get nothing from their father. You have made sure that your kids and Nonku's kids and, uh, kids from outside the marriage, they're not talking to each other. Your mother-in-law also came out on blogs to expose you and says that you're not as good as you claim to be, and that, you do not have a relationship with her. Why are you here acting like a Miss Goody Two Shoes? Why are you not fixing that siblings rivalry between Sfiso Ncwane's kids, and also fix your relationship with your mother-in-law? Because your mother-in-law has been hopping onto blogs to expose the kind of person that you are. Your mother-in-law has been hopping onto blogs to expose the kind of person that you are. She says that you're a very cold and evil woman, yet you have the audacity to come onto social media to preach about siblings problems. You act like you're Miss Goody Two Shoes. Make sure that Sfiso Ncwane's kids get along first before you come here to act like you are, Miss Goody Two Shoes. Somebody mentioned Sfiso's first born daughter, of course, who too have been going out on, blogs and newspapers to try and expose the kind of relationship that she has with Ayanda Ncwane, says that, saying that, of course, she has kind of pushed her outside, you guys. And people are saying, Ayanda Ncwane, please check your heart first before you come to social media to preach about peace and love, yet you have your own problems at home. Why don't you fix your relationship with Fiso's kids and make sure that those kids get along first before you come here to try to sound like a holy woman? Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below, and also make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video, guys. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one, and may the God Lord just continue to bless you all. Bye.